take a ride on the Great River Road in southern Illinois, all the way to Grafton, Illinois, where we're going to see a legendary cliffside painting of the Piasa bird. The Piasa bird, or the word Piasa, is a Illini word that's supposed to mean devourer of humans. We're not sure if this is the original painting. Well, we know it's not the original painting. It was done sometime in the early 90s, I believe. The original painting was documented in the late 1600s and then again in the 1700s, but the descriptions differed somewhat, so no one is really sure. This painting we're about to see is a artistic recreation of what it may have looked like in the late 1600s. Boy, and it's cold today. It's about 46 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to be a chilly ride, so let's bundle up. There's always road construction. What's up, my man? How far up is the construction?
About a half mile, quarter mile away.
All right. You're on YouTube, man. Say hi. What's your name?
John?
All right. You from the area? Are you from this area? DuQuoin, okay. All right. That is an American bald eagle. They used to be pretty rare around here, but now they're all over the place. I was hoping we would see one. Pretty cool, huh? Man, what is the deal with all of this construction? What in the world? Town called Pontoon Beach, I believe. I'm getting ready to have lunch at 3 de Mayo, authentic Mexican restaurant. I'll let you know how it is. So I ordered this burrito steak. Look at the size of this thing. Okay, that was pretty good. So on to the Piasa. I'm in the town of Alton, Illinois, on the river's edge. And I remember this in 1993, there was a great flood that completely flooded this whole area here. I remember that because I was living in Chicago at the time, and a Marine friend was deployed to come down here and help sandbag. They painted a mark, a strip there, to see how high the water had gotten. You could tell, judging by the size of the cars beneath the line, that the water got really, really high. We have arrived. The legend of the Piasa. So apparently there was this nasty big bird that used to eat humans somewhere in this area and the chief of the tribe, I guess, prayed to the great gods to help him find a way. So they come up with the plan to ambush him. So the chief, Wataga, I believe his name is, sat as the bait, and all the rest of the warriors hid around the surrounding areas with poison darts or arrows. So as soon as the Piasa perched down to get the chief, they shot all the arrows and brought down the big Piasa. So to commemorate that event, the legend has it that they painted the mural on the cliff that you can see behind me. I tried to get a drone shot of it, but it's so windy out here, it blew my drone over. There may be a shot that I can salvage. That's the Great Piasa. We're here in Alton, Illinois, just outside of Alton, just south of Grafton on the Great River Road. That's a fearsome looking animal, I'll tell you that. This is sitting here on the bluffs overlooking the Mississippi. As you can see on the other side, that's the state of Missouri. Get out of the way, doggy.